Welcome back to our science experiment video.
Yay!
So what are we going to do for today, Miss P?
Today we are going to make exploding milk.
What is that?
What is
Exploding
that?
milk. We don't really understand.
Okay, let me show you. Let me tell you some things that we need
To be prepared
to
first.
be prepared. First, we need food coloring.
Food coloring.
Okay, Miss Ping use red, yellow, blue, and also green.
And
then of course, because this one is a exploding milk
So we need
magic milk experiment, we need milk. Miss Ping also already prepared
washing this.
dish, and then cotton bud.
Okay.
Okay, first, let me show you how to do it.
And don't forget, like this, maybe a plate or a bowl.
Oh my goodness. You have to prepare white plate.
Should be white, Miss. Can you
Any
use
color,
black,
I think.
red?
I think you can, because milk is white, so you
Yeah.
can see the color nicely. Okay, so first, need to
Pour the milk. Like this.
like this.
Can I drink it?
No, miss.
Okay.
Okay, and then you have to pour some
A drop of coloring food coloring.
food coloring.
Then the color is black, yeah, Miss. The color is black, Miss.
This one is red, miss.
Oh, red.
My goodness.
Yeah.
Two.
2 drops of red
drop
food
red.
coloring.
It can be 3. It's up to you. Yeah. 1.
It looks like orange, Miss
Yeah.
Pink.
See?
3
3 drops.
And then the blue
And then
one.
the blue one. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. And then last one,
Green one.
green one.
1, 2, 3.
And then after this, can we drink it?
No, miss.
Oh, we may not
Let's
drink.
see. Yes, let's see what happened, yeah. And then Miss Ping will put some
Cotton bud and then put it in the wash dish, the
wash
liquid dish.
like this, and then Miss Ping will put inside.
Wow. Wow. Wow, the color is going out. It looks beautiful, Miss.
Look beautiful, right?
Right.
Okay, let's one more time, yeah. Let's try one more time.
So we tap the cotton bud that we already.
Look, can you see? It's moving, right?
Wow.
Can you see? It's moving, right?
Yeah.
One more time. It's moving, right?
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. The soap is here, and then I put here.
So beautiful.
It's supposed to be moving, miss.
Yes, it's moved, Miss. We can see it. It's moved. But the move is so slowly.
Slowly.
Yeah, it's so slow. Okay.
How if we put a little bit soap this here? Okay, I will use this one. The other side. Oh, it's moving. Look.
Yeah, it's moved. We see it already. Cool.
Ooh.
Wow.
Let's put more soap this here. Spin.
Wow.
It's moving, Miss.
Yay.
do you know, Miss, why does milk is exploding like that?
I don't know.
Yes, because the soap dish, the wash dish, has a different chemical things with the food coloring and also milk.
That's
why it make when they put in the same in the one place, it will hard for them to join together. That's why it makes them move.
Oh, cool. Don't forget to try it at home.
And don't forget to record your experiment and send it back to us. Okay?
Yeah.
So that's all for our science experiment today.
Yeah, before we end, let us tidy up first.
Oh, yes.
Everybody tidy up, tidy up, tidy up. Everybody tidy up, just like me. Okay, so that is for our science experiment today. See you on our next video. Bye.